In this video, I'll be talking about the 6 apps that helped me to make over $30,000 through saving and investing in 2023. Now, I started investing and saving on these apps at the beginning of 2023, and these apps really helped me to make quite a lot of money without even working. And all I was doing was just investing and saving my money. Also, these apps are some of the apps I've talked about on my channel in various videos. So if you've been a long-time subscriber, you definitely know about these apps. But if you're new to my channel and you want to know more about the apps I'll be mentioning in this video, I have a playlist for each app containing videos to guide you. I'll put the links to this playlist in the description below. So with that being said, let's get into the video. The first app is BYBIT. Now, BYBIT was the app I used the most in 2023. Now, in 2022, it was Binance I used the most, but I got to use BYBIT more because it was simple to use for trading and investing. And if you're one of my crypto trading students, I'm sure you know that I don't like to use one crypto app for investing and trading at the same time. So while I was using my Binance app for futures trading, I was also using my BYBIT app to invest in crypto. So at the beginning of 2023, I started investing in various cryptocurrencies on the app like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance Coin, and Solana. And at the beginning of the year, Bitcoin was at $16,000, and now at the end of the year is at $43,000. That's about 157% profit. Now, Ethereum was at $1,100 and now is at $2,400, and that's a little bit above 100% profit. Now, for Binance Coin, that was at $240 at the beginning of the year, and now at the end of the year is at $314. That's also about 30% profit. And for Solana, which made me the highest amount of money, it was at $9 at the beginning of the year, and now is at $108 at the end of the year. And that's over 1,000% profit. Now, these were the 4 main cryptocurrencies I invested in 2023. And these coins made me a lot of money, especially Solana. Also, if you are my student, I'm sure you know that I don't invest in just any altcoins or shit coins. I only invest my money in top cryptocurrencies. And that's why when people come to me to ask for cryptocurrencies to invest in, I will only mention Bitcoin, because to me, any other cryptocurrency aside Bitcoin is just by the side. So in 2024, I will also be focusing on investing more in these top cryptocurrencies, and I also advise you to do the same. So don't just invest your money in cryptocurrencies that are being advertised by Twitter influencers or because you want to make quick money. These people are being paid to promote cryptocurrencies to you. So please be careful where you put your money in 2024. The second app that helped me to make a lot of money in 2023 is the KUCOIN app. Now, right before I started investing in crypto on the BYBIT app, I was already investing in crypto on the KUCOIN app since 2021. But at the beginning of 2023, I started investing more in cryptocurrencies on the KUCOIN app, and I was also investing in these top cryptocurrencies I've mentioned on the KUCOIN app. Now, I was doing this until around October 2023 when I moved all my cryptocurrencies from KUCOIN to BYBIT. And the reason was because I wasn't enjoying the fact that I was using about 5 crypto trading apps, because I wanted to reduce the number of apps I was using. So I just had to let go of KUCOIN. But KUCOIN is a very good app to use, and there's no reason why I left it aside me trying to reduce the number of crypto apps I'm using. So that's it for the KUCOIN app. So KUCOIN and BYBIT, I was investing in cryptocurrencies and I made a lot of returns in 2023. The third app in this list is KEBLE app. Now, if you've been on my channel for long, you should know the KEBLE app. You should even know everything about the KEBLE app. The KEBLE app is an app for investing in fractional real estate. I can even invest in real estate properties with as low as $10. And also, you get returns on your money. Now, I have investment in various properties on the app, and I've made some returns on my money. Not a lot though, but I've made some returns on my money. And the app is good, and I recommend it to anyone trying to invest in 2024. The app is good to use, simple to use, and your money is safe on the app, because I've been using the app for about 2 years right now. The next app where I made a lot of money through investing is the TROVE app. Now, this is one of the investment apps I started with in 2020. Now, the TROVE app is an app for buying Nigerian and foreign stocks with as low as 1,000 Naira or $10 respectively. Now, at the beginning of 2023, I was investing in some foreign and Nigerian stocks like Apple, Google, Tesla, MTN, Access Bank, Dangote Sugar, and GTB. I was investing an amount of money every month in these different stocks. And right now, I've made over 100% profit on my investment. Now, investing in stocks is a great way to make your money passively because you get to make money without working. and your money will be making more money for you. Now in 2024, my plan is to invest more in these stocks, and I'm sure I'll even make more money. Now, the last app that helped me to make a lot of money in 2023 was COWRYWISE. Now, this is one of my best fintech apps of 2023, and I really love this app so much, not just because it helped me to save a lot of money, but because of how simple it is to use. Now, I've been using the COWRYWISE app since 2018, and it was even some of the money I saved on the app that helped me to get equipment to start this YouTube channel in 2020. Now, the KUCOIN app allows you to save money and earn high interest on your money. So the more money you save, the more money you'll be able to make. So I decided to save a lot of money in 2023, and it's one of the best decisions I ever made. I was able to save to achieve some of my goals, and I made quite a lot of money through the interest I earned on my money. And I would definitely recommend this app to anyone trying to save money. And let me tell you this, you don't have to wait till when you start making a lot of money before you start saving. Start saving now, no matter how small it is. Even if it's you saving $10 weekly or $10 monthly, just start. If you do it for 1 or 2 years, you'll be surprised at how much you would have saved. So these are the 5 main apps that helped me to make over $30,000 in 2023. And these apps are apps that we recommend to anyone trying to save or invest in 2024. And you can download these apps on your App Store or your Play Store. Like I said earlier, I have a playlist for each app containing videos to guide you on how to use these different apps. So the links to this playlist will be in the description below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next video. Bye.